If you're considering freelance work as a creator, then I suggest that we create a portfolio, right? You can even use Canva to build a portfolio, free Canva. I've seen hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of creators use Canva as their portfolio. You can embed video, you can hyperlink your sample content. The first two things are the most important. I need to know your name, first and last. And I also, as a brand, I need to know your contact information. Do not make me hunt for your contact information. That means your email address, because I want to be able to track who I'm talking to. Can I actually talk to you and, talk about contracts and payment and things like that? I'm not going to DM you on Instagram. This is a business. I'm representing a business, right? Brands that you've worked with or created content for. If you haven't started with brands, start with what you have already. So you can have, let's go with my Post-it note example again. You can create a video about Post-it notes and you can tag the brand. This is not paid content, but it is an example of what you can do for other brands, showcasing something like Post-it notes or anything else that you like, your hobbies, your interests, products that you like, services that you enjoy. Now, on the flip side, if you are considering an in-house role as an employee, then you need to adjust your resume so that it highlights what you've done in the creation space, right? How does your attention to detail, your listening skills, your customer service experience, your video editing skills, how does this give you an edge over others?